Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. For the ones who are new here, hi, I'm Ruchitha, and if you want to know more about me or more about my channel, then go check it out. My intro video, I'll just put it in the card above. Go check it out now and then come back and watch this video. Okay, so moving on to today's video. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you. No, wait a second. Before I tell something, first go subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed and hit the bell button so that every time I upload a video you get notified. Go, please do that, or else I won't start my video.
The next day.
Just kidding. Anyways, so moving on to today's video, guys. In today's video, I'm gonna share you some yummy recipe. It's my mom's the signature recipe, I can tell. I belong to Karnataka, so it's Karnataka special recipe, I can tell. Like that style it is. It's gonna be a hengai palya. Hengai matlab bangan, brinjal, yeah. I think bangan ka barta. I think that's similar to that maybe. I don't know. I'm not sure. I think kind of in that style. We call it as hengai palya or yenne badnekai, they tell. So that's the recipe. It's really easy to make, but when you actually see the dish and when you eat it, you feel that okay, a lot of efforts you need and you take forever to prepare and all. A caution, guys, if you are hearing the background sound, it's because of my dog who is here. I'm sorry from his side. Okay, so this dish looks very complicated when you taste it or when you see it, but you'll see how it is prepared. It's very easy. My mom takes hardly some 15 to 20 minutes to prepare, so that's it. Okay, so without any further ado, let's roll into the video.
Firstly, we'll start preparing the stuffing, for which you need a chutney powder, normal one. This is like 1 full spoon, so 4 full spoons you need, and to that 3 full spoons of kurushani pudi. Get a bowl and mix them up. So this is how it looks when you mix both of it. For these powder recipes, click the card above, you'll get it. Now for the next part, you add the chili powder, almost like 1 spoon, and add a half or 1 spoon of sambar powder. All these masala powder is up to your taste, and a pinch of turmeric powder, and mix it well with the mixture. Now it's time to add salt, 1 spoon about, and it really depends on your taste. Now add jaggery, about 1 spoon kind of, and then give it a quick mix. Add a half cup of chopped onions, roughly chopped, and then now mix the ingredients properly. Now for these, add the oil so that it binds together everything. Make sure you don't add anything else, like don't mix it with water and all. Only oil. Use only oil, any kind of oil, whichever, like vegetable oil, whichever you use. So see, you need some more. So I'm gonna add some more oil and then mix it properly and make it like a paste, not like thick paste, like soft paste. See, it looks very yummy, isn't it? So it's mixed properly now. So now it's time to cook. Come on, let's cook. Here I've taken like medium to small size of brinjals, like 4 to 5 to 6 of this size. You can make the mixture whatever we have prepared. Now see, likewise remove the stem part and cut the other side and cut horizontal and vertical so that it kind of forms like this middle part, and do the same for the rest of it also. Make sure you don't cut it completely, okay? So just till the end but not fully, okay, so that it forms like this. As soon as you cut them, put it in water or else it will start becoming like dark, okay? Now take one by one and stuff the masala which you prepared so that you get the taste. This is how you have to stuff, and then press it inside, from the four sides. So it's done. And then keep it on a pan. Do the same to the others and keeping in the pan. Once all of them are done, this is how it looks. So here we needed more of brinjal, so that is it. For like 4 to 5, that was enough. Now after switching on the stove, add oil, okay? See, you have to add on top of every brinjal like so, and it should be cooked only in oil in the initial time. So put oil how much ever you can. Yummy. Now let it cook. And close it with the lid so that it cooks evenly. After some 5 minutes, open the lid and see how it's going and give it a slight gentle mix with the spoon and add a cup of water now. Then close the lid again. After some 5 minutes, again open and see how it's going and give it a quick a mix like so, and see what's happening. They're turning good. You can see they're turning their color, yeah. So close it again. After 5 minutes, again open it and see this is already started to cook, like it's almost cooked. You can see the oil oozing out. See, it's separated with the water. Now you need to take the remaining masala and add vertically chopped onions to it. It's about a half or 1 onion, and then mix it. And add little water, and make it like a liquid paste. Now open the lid and add this mixture. Add a little water to that bowl wherever you mixed it, and then take out all the masala. Don't leave anything, it's important. So put it in the pan and give it a quick mix, slight mix, okay? Make sure you're not too rough about it, just very lightly mix it. And by the way, thanks to my mom who actually did it. Thank you, mommy. So mix like so. Now close the lid again for the magic to happen. Open. Yay, it's almost ready. Look, you can see it's cooked. The brinjals have turned completely into their color, and the oil is fully out, like oozing out from the masala. So that's when you know that it's cooked. So yeah, it's done now. You can serve it to a serving bowl now, like so. So pretty and yummy. My mouth is watering now also by just looking at it. Look at that. So masala it is. You can eat it with chapati. I love eating with chapati and little ghee on it. Or else you can eat it with rice also, I think. I've never tried it. If you guys tried, let me know how it was. Usually it's best combination is with jawar ka roti, okay? So it's Karnataka's typical, like roti we make. It's very tasty with that. Yeah. Yay, it's done. Look how yummy it is.
Okay, so that's it about today's video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the recipe and do try it out. It's just yummy, and the smell it was creating there, oh, I can't just tell you how yummy it is. It's one of my favorite actually. Actually, whatever my mom cooks, see, I'm stumbling. It's so yummy. It was so yummy. My mouth is actually watering. Anyways, whatever my mom cooks, I actually love all of it. So this is my mom's signature one. So do try it and taste it and be a fan of it. All rights given to you, and share it with your other friends, family, relatives, anyone to everyone. Enjoy it. And if you've been watching my video and you like my videos, etc., then why to hesitate, right? Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that every time I upload a video you get notified. So that's it for this video, guys. I'll see you next week. Till then, take care, wear mask, wash your hands properly, if possible wear gloves, and that's it. Bye bye.